getting to experience the first fantasy, and getting to portray Gargan has been really cool.
But if I remember correctly, parang you kind of grew your character at some point,
Yeah, even for this. So it's been part of my process that I enjoy, to get to know his motivations even more. I always try to draw the character and try to imagine what's going on through his mind.
Paano yung last drinowing mo, pero ngayon you're portraying him? How does that feel?
That's cool. I like it. Kasi para sa akin, it's not a complete puzzle. Parang what I do na mag-isa, yung para nasa vacuum ka, you're creating, parang gumagawa ka ng sarili mong laruan, pero our work is collaborative. Yun yung ang saya at saka nakakamiss talaga na pagpunta mo sa set, parang kinukumpul yung laruan yung lahat, and you guys play, and everything informs parang my character kasi yun nga, you don't know where it's gonna go ultimately. So parang you're taking bits and pieces, yung mga eksena na nagawa mo na, yung mga napasa mo sa script, yung mga inputs ng ibang mga actors, the directors, the writers, the acting coaches there, na parang nagiging magandang puzzle siya, na sabi ko nga, kahit yung nagawa mo ng work sa utak mo kung saan siya pupunta para magkalaman yung ginagawa mo, kahit hindi dun siya mapunta, the process itself is the process is already fulfilling in itself. Ang sarap. I'm really enjoying it, and I'm glad na yung na-miss ko sa pag-arte nung nag-hiatus ako ng 3 taon.
Worth it.
Sobra na, it really made me appreciate what I missed. Na right here, I'm so thankful for my job na I get to do this. I can't believe this is what I do for work. I get to go on the set, you play, make believe, you guys are having fun with the role, you go home, now you're family, and I like that work-life balance.
I'm sorry, ulitin ko lang some of the questions. I know you've been asked this question, and I know it's really kind of sensitive, pero of course, your ex-wife's getting married, and do you have any reaction?
I wish them well, sincerely. I wish them well. I'm glad everyone is moving on and is moving.
What about you? Of course, iwanan ko na yung topic na yun. How are you now?
Like, really?
And recently we saw the picture of course yung
No, but I like it. So it's so fulfilling. Sabi ko nga, siguro iniisip ko.
Kailan mo ba introduce? Kailan pa magre-reveal?
Hindi ko alam.
Family reveal.
Hindi naman, kaya sinabi, hindi naman sa tinatago ko sila, kasi when we live our lives openly. Pero it's for myself.
Just not on social media.
Yeah, kasi I experienced that nga before, where my work and my life was so wala nang scene. It was so blurred together. It's almost like just a reminder for myself, like of being grateful for what I have. I like keeping that boundary really clear. Na ang sarap na parang uniform yung pag-arte. Pag uwi mo sa bahay, tinatanggal mo yung uniform. Si Dada, ang Dada.
You become Dada.
Yeah, ang sarap na gano'n. So, mas na-excite ako magtrabaho at mas na-excite ako umuwi. Kasi the two are different worlds. Hindi yung dati na parang iisa lang. Kung ano yung ginagawa mo sa trabaho, pag uwi mo, it's still a part of it. Parang they both live in each other. This time, like, I'm more grateful for both. Hindi ko natin-take for granted yung isa, yung dalawa. Yung trabaho mo, kasi sometimes hindi natin na-realize na may gano'n na pala. We take for granted our work, we take for granted our family life. And here, with that boundary, mas na-appreciate ko sila pareho.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
Tom, sorry.
Pala, second time around. 2 years ago ba? Tama?
Walang tayo. But I did that a year ago.
Di ba sa States yan? Sa States yan, okay.
Parang secret lang, private lang.
Private. And I like it better that way. Thank you.
Ay, mananong dati.
Hindi naman, parang para sa akin, I can't speak for everyone else. Pero for me, this works for me.
Maybe because hindi siya showbiz, no? Kaya gano'n.
Yeah. And I like it better na gano'n din.
Itong ano lang ha, after the divorce talaga wala na, hindi na kayo nakapag-usap pa ng ex mo. Wala na talaga, period na no, after the divorce. Ito kasi ngayon, parang nag-isip lang ako, parang tinanggap mo yung role na medyo bad, yung character. Hindi mo naisip na hindi mo mariredeem ang sarili mo doon sa impression ng iba na ikaw yung natuturo.
Parte yun, hindi, I'm not gonna lie. Parte yun talaga sa, sabi ko nga parang siyang balancing act kasi even bago ako bumalik sa showbiz, ang dami ko nang naririnig tungkol sa sarili ko, and a lot of them are not true. How do you deal with that? Pero since naisip ko na I made it through that, na happy ako sa sarili ko, na hindi yung ano yung iniisip ng ibang tao yung nagpapatakbo sa buhay ko. Kaya siguro nakatulong talaga yung time away ko na hindi ko alam na dati pala may ganun. Even a lot of my self-worth, nakatali siya sa opinion ng iba.
Ahayaan mo na lang ba na yung ganun yung impression sa'yo without leading yourself or something? Parang wala pa ako natatandaan na dinipensahan mo ang sarili mo.
Kasi parang for myself, I don't feel the need na eh. I'm happy when I'm at home, happy with my family life. Yung family ko, the ones I love, know what's up. Kung may siguro sakit man ako nararamdaman, minsan konting kirot, it's not for myself but for my partner and my son. Kasi they're not part of whatever I went through in the past, and yet minsan sila yung pinupuntirya, and it is unfair to them kasi wala naman silang kinalaman sa kung ano yung past ko, and yet they'll receive death threats, they'll receive mga ganun. Kaya buti na lang we're able to really pray and just put a boundary around us na okay, what they're attacking is not me.
May last question ako to. Perfect na ba to work with Carla again?
I would rather not. That's an honest answer. For myself, I would rather not.
Pero what have you learned on your past relationship before?
Na a relationship doesn't have to be ideal, but it has to be real. Yun na lang siguro na mas masarap yung ganun. You don't have to make it perfect or live it for other people. If you can live a quiet, have a relationship na kayong dalawa lang talaga, the people that are involved in the relationship.
Last question na lang. Dito ka ba magpapasko or din ka sa States?
Here.
Pero hindi dito sila. Hindi dito sila.
Hindi ko na kayang magkahiwalay ka.
Tatanggap ka ba ng another gay-themed movie ngayong meron ka ng anak?
Yeah.
Okay.
Of course, I have no qualms about it. If the right project pa rin, as long as it's not parang gimmicky lang, na it's gay for gay's sake, na it's almost disrespectful to the LGBTQ community. Pero if it's a role like My Husband's Lover, ulit, na meaty role talaga, I would in a heartbeat. Yeah.
Thank you.